Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to rotate elements in Canva. Instead of creating a new design, I will work on this already existing design. This template has a text and a photo. And first, let's add some elements. Let's add this arrow. Now, to rotate this arrow, it's simple. Just tap on it one single time and you can see this rotation icon. Just keep clicking on the rotation and keep rotating your mouse. And let's say that you want to rotate these elements to an exact. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's say that you want to rotate these elements to an exact angle. Just select it like that. Go to position from this toolbar and below advanced, look for the rotate field and fill in your rotation angle. Let's rotate it 180, click on enter, and this is the element rotated to the exact 180-degree rotation. Let's rotate it to only 120, click on enter, and this is the 120. And this is how to rotate elements in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.